Welcome, everyone. Today, we're embarking on an exciting exploration into the captivating world of hardware handles. Let's dive right in. First, let's uncover the timeless stainless steel handles, robust, enduring, and adaptable to diverse settings. Then we'll encounter the allure of copper handles, radiating classical charm, tailor-made for vintage aesthetics. Don't overlook the featherlight and corrosion-resistant aluminum handles, a top-notch choice for contemporary designs. Lastly, witness the allure of metal alloy handles, seamlessly blending strength and style, injecting an air of sophistication into your home. Now let's delve into the diverse styles of hardware handles. From classic and contemporary to European and countryside styles, there's a perfect fit for every decor aspiration. In conclusion, hardware handles unfold in a kaleidoscope of styles, addressing diverse preferences and aesthetics. Remember, when choosing hardware handles, reflect not just on the material's durability, but also the style that harmonizes with your decor. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more captivating content on hardware handles and home design. We eagerly await your presence in the next episode.